What percentage of 2 hours is 12 minutes? Solution. One way to work with this is to either bring your 12 minutes to hours or bring your 2 hours to minutes. They have to be in the same parameter before you can work with this. So I'll be bringing 2 hours to minutes. We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Therefore, 2 hours becomes 2 multiplied by 60 minutes. And this would give us 120 minutes. Now we can go to the question. We have 12 minutes out of 120 minutes. That is 12 of 120. So that is, we have 12 over 120. Now let us bring this to the smallest fraction possible. Let's divide the numerator and denominator by 12. This would give us 1 over 10. So now that we have it as a fraction, let's convert that into percentage. So we'll have 1 over 10 multiplied by 100%. And of course, this would give you 100 over 10%. And then 100 divided by 10 will give you 10. So the final answer is 10%. That is, 12 minutes is just 10% of 2 hours. Thank you.